I'm here with a gentleman who's traveled from California
Correct.
to the Deuk Spine Institute in Florida for his back pain. How long have you been suffering with back pain?
It's been about 30 years of time of pain.
Why did you come to the Deuk Spine Institute?
After doing research of all different options, I felt this was the best, safest option for me. Didn't want to do the open back surgery and put a cage in. Wanted to try alternative route.
You came here with tremendous back pain. How are you doing today?
Fantastic. The day after, no pain at all, zero.
And no pain medicines?
No pain meds, yeah, zero.
Awesome. You happy?
Very happy. Extremely
Tell us how happy you are.
A 1 to 10 of 20. Definitely. It went way past what I thought it would be as far as the staff and how easy it was. I thought they were joking. The IV was the hardest pain I had. There was literally no pain.
You're interesting because so many people have more than one cause of back pain. And we did a study recently that showed 50% of patients have 4 spots in their back, 4 sources or more. Mm-hmm. And you're a person who has 8 sources of back pain. You had the facet joints on both sides, 2 SI joints, and the 2 discs. So you had a total of 8 different things causing back pain. We had to fix all 8 yesterday with 1 surgery. It took us about 2 hours to do. How do you feel today?
Great. I appreciate all you guys' hard work and knowledge and what you've got going on here. Really appreciate that.
And did you spend any time in the hospital?
No hospital stay.
This was outpatient.
Outpatient all in one day.
Outpatient, no pain medications the next day. You're off all pain meds. And I know you tried some other treatments. Can you tell us about the other treatments that didn't work for you?
From physical therapy to more than 20 chiropractors, different decompression tables, acupuncture, massage therapy. I did stem cell injections in Mexico before it was legal in the States. Then I did stem cells again here in the States. Numerous injections of cortisone shots, cocktail shots, everything you can imagine. That just worked for a month to 3 months maximum. Stem cells worked for about probably 4 months. It's probably the longest I've had with no pain. And then they come back with the vengeance, almost worse than when I started with.
So how are you feeling now? How is that different after the Deuk laser disc repair and the Deuk plasma rhizotomies? How is that different than before?
It's not just a Band-Aid to fix the pain temporary. It feels more permanent. Like you can tell that, I'm feeling warm hands. I'm feeling, I have no more numbness in my legs. I feel normal. It's really weird. I haven't felt that for 30 years. So it feels normal, which again, I'm not used to. I haven't felt that for a long time.
How does life look for you and your lovely wife now that you have a new back?
Enjoying my bicycle riding, which I really used to enjoy. So I'm getting back into that. Motorcycle riding, that's a big passion. Water sports, from boating to pontooning to skiing, and I just like being on water.
Is that in California?
All over here in California and Texas, and I'm all over the place. So
okay.
Yeah, I travel, so I'm here part-time in half California, run different businesses in different states.
Well, is there anything you want to say to your fans out there?
If anybody's even thinking about this, don't think, just do it. It's super, super good. It helped me, and it's going to help my family and future business. It's just helped me in so many different ways. I can't explain everything that it's going to be helping. Highly recommend it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And safe
Appreciate
travels, my friend.
Appreciate you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome.